In today's video, we are going to show you a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on Elfsight. One of the easiest ways to add powerful widgets and features to your website without coding. Whether you're building a business website, online store, portfolio, or SaaS, this video will help you get started quickly. And if you want to try Elfsight yourself, do not forget to use our affiliate link in the description below. It really helps support the channel and it gives you direct access to all the tools we'll cover in this video. So, let's begin. Elfsight is an all-in-one widget platform that helps website owners add interactive features like reviews, social feeds, contact forms, pop-ups, chats, booking tools, FAQ sections, and many more, all with simple drag and drop customization. One of the best things about Elfsight is that you don't need to be a developer. You simply choose a widget, customize it to match your brand, copy the embed code, and paste it into your website. Now, before choosing a plan, it's important to better understand your needs, your goals, and of course your budget. That way, you can align your expectations with realistic options and avoid paying for features you may not need yet. So let's quickly break down the pricing plans. Now, the free plan is great for testing purposes. However, this plan includes Elfsight brandings and only basic functionality. So it's mainly ideal if you just want to explore the platform before upgrading. Speaking of upgrading, we have the basic plan, which is best for low traffic websites. This is a solid option for personal websites, portfolios, or small business landing pages. Now, the Pro plan is designed for growing businesses. If your website is getting more traffic or you're maybe managing multiple pages and tools, this plan offers much more flexibility. And finally, we have the Premium plan, which is best for high traffic websites and larger businesses. This is ideal for agencies, e-commerce, stores, or business managing multiple websites and larger audiences. So before jumping into any subscription, you think about how much traffic your website gets, how many widgets you actually need, whether you're working solo or with a team, and how much customization and support you'll require. Choosing the right plan from the beginning helps you scale more efficiently and keeps your website cost realistic and manageable. Now, the good thing about Elfsight is that it offers a free trial or a free account. All I have to do is click the Get Started, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google, your Facebook, or your business, or your personal email and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be forwarded to the main platform where you'll immediately notice the clean, straightforward, yet highly functional design. The top menu contains the core features of Elfsight, and let's begin with the My Apps. This is essentially your personal dashboard where all the widgets you created are stored. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have any widget first. Later on, we're going to create our first widget, but think of this as your workspace for all your projects. Next is going to be the catalog. This is essentially the marketplace and library of all available Elfsight apps and widgets. You can browse like reviews, forms, social feeds, chat widgets, pop-ups, testimonials, and you can choose a widget from the catalog before customizing it. We have the templates, which are ready-made widget designs you can instantly use. Instead of building from scratch, templates help you start faster. You can use professional layouts, match specific business goals, and save you time. And you have the deals. This allows you to create discounts, limited time offers, upgrade promotions, seasonal sales, bundle offers. This is where Elfsight promotes cheaper pricing plans or special feature access. Last is going to be the Pro features. These are advanced tools available on paid plans. These features are designed for businesses or higher traffic websites that need more flexibility and branding control. But for now, we're going to go back to the My Apps and we are going to create our first widget. Click the blue button and we need to choose an application. Once you click on Create Your First Widget, you'll be taken to the Elfsight Apps catalog. This is basically the main marketplace where you can browse and choose different widgets that you want to add to your website. On the left side panel, you'll notice the navigation menus. Here, Elfsight categorizes and organizes widgets into social reviews, e-commerce, chats, forms, videos, tools, and more. This makes it much easier to quickly find the type of widget you need depending on your website goals. Right above the categories, you'll see sections like AI-powered bestsellers, trending, and new apps. These are helpful if you want recommendations or want to discover the most popular widgets currently being used by other website owners. Now, in the center of the screens are going to be the available widgets, and each card gives you a preview of what the widget looks like along with a short description of what it does. For example, we have Google Reviews, which lets you embed customer reviews directly from Google onto your website to help build trust and credibility. And then from the Google Review section, you can choose a template that you wanted, for example, a carousel widget, a badge, simple carousel grid with AI summary, slider, it's up to you. If we go back again to the sections of the app catalog, you'll see you have the Instagram feed, which allows you to display your Instagram posts directly on your website to keep your content fresh and engaging. And then you also have the event calendar, perfect for showcasing upcoming websites, events, schedules, or webinars or appointments. And below that is my favorite, which I am currently using, the link and feed, which is great for businesses that wants to display company updates or professional content directly from LinkedIn. Now, in this video, I am going to use the link and feed since I have already a business with my LinkedIn. Now, all I have to do is whether you use a LinkedIn feed or a Google review or Instagram feed, you need to choose a template for that. In my case, let's say I have different sections here. We have the masonry, carousel, timeline, grid, small widget, slider. I'm going to choose the masonry for now. It looks very interactive. And once I choose this, click the continue with this template. What will happen is you need to enter your LinkedIn URL. Okay, so I need to log into my LinkedIn profile. I'm going to copy the URL and quickly switch back to Elfsight and enter that URL. I'm going to add it, and what will happen is, just like that, we have successfully integrated our LinkedIn account to the LinkedIn feed here in Elfsight. Now you can check the intuitiveness by clicking the mobile view or the desktop view. Once you're happy with the result, click the publish button. It's super simple, right? And of course, we need to pick a plan to install the widget. We can simply go to the free for now, which is good for testing purposes. And we can also embed the code. Now, I'm going to my website powered by Squarespace. I'm going to log in to my account and then go to the website that I am currently working on, and I'm going to paste and embed the code. Now in the editor, I'm going to add a block. I'm going to scroll down until I find the embed section. Here, all I have to do is click the pencil icon and we're going to embed the full link. I am going back very quickly to Elfsight to copy the code. And then here, paste the code, embed it, and there you have it. You have now successfully embedded your LinkedIn feed to your website. Click the save button. Okay, so after embedding the code in your website, you can also go to other platform tutorials. For example, we are choosing Shopify, and what will happen is, you see, you can add the Elfsight widget to a Shopify website. All I have to do is do all these, copy your widget installation code. You will be forwarded to your Shopify store. I want you to hover on the left side panel of your dashboard, click the online store, and then click the edit theme. What will happen is you'll be forwarded to the theme builder. Now, we need to add the code here on our Shopify store. And how do we do it? First of all, You can simply click the add a section or a custom liquid. For the custom liquid, put in the code, click the save button. You see that? We have already added our link and feed, the widget that we have created in Elfsight. You see that? Amazing, right? Now, when you go back to the My Apps section, you will notice that you have the widgets, which is where all your link and feed projects are stored. Basically, your main workspace where you create, edit, and your widgets before embedding them into your website. The request a feature allows users to send suggestions or feature requests directly to the Elfsight team. For example, if you want to request a feature, you'll be forwarded here. If you want more customization options, if you want to have more layout styles, better LinkedIn integrations, and if you want, let's say, additional filtering tools, you can submit your idea here. Okay, for example, discussion, type it in, and click the post button. All right. And then we go back on the what's new. This contains the latest updates, improvements, and release features for the link and feed widget. And you'll find all these information. For example, see all updates. You will find the link and feed widget, so you always know about what features and enhancements that you can look into. Now we go to the templates section, which gives you ready-made widget designs that are already pre-configured for different use cases. For example, if you want an e-commerce, a chat, a contact form, a video section, you don't need to start from scratch. You can simply pick and edit the text, colors, and settings to match your brand. For example, let's say I'm gonna choose this one instead, the Elf Marvel 101. This saves a lot of time, especially for beginners who want professional looking widgets very quickly. All I have to do is put the YouTube channel URL, okay, choose a template, and create your widget. It's super simple. You can also check the intuitiveness for both the desktop and the mobile view. Now, I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to the deal section. This is where Elfsight shows special promotions, discounts, or limited time offers. You might find upgrade deals, like, for example, claim this deal. Okay. Now, just pick a plan to install the widget on the Facebook feed for now. And then this helps you save money when purchasing premium plans. Because if you're planning to use Elfsight long term, this is worth checking because you might get access to extra features at a lower price. For example, I'm going to share my referral link using the Facebook page. All I have to do now is click the three icons. I'm going to click the manage post, and I'm going to attach my link right here. Going to create an ad. Now with this, I'm going to raise my brand awareness. I'm going to click the get started and paste my code right here. All right. Now, another thing is you can copy that link. And I am going to paste it to my website. I'm going to log in using my credentials. Now, all I have to do is click the edit. I am going to add a new block in the left side section. And that's going to be another link right here, social link. And then click the pencil icon. I am going to paste my social link here. Okay. For the design, you can choose from any of the following, and there you go. And then click the save button. It's super simple, right? Now, after the deals, we go to the pro features. This highlights the advanced tools and premium capabilities available in Elfsight. Now, you can see that it includes features like advanced customization, access to pack plans, custom CSS, collaborators, and sharing projects with your client. So if you're building websites for clients or running a business website, these pro features can help make your widgets look more professional and powerful. All you have to do is sign up today to get the most out of this customization. And with that being said, that wraps up our full tutorial on Elfsight. By now, you should already have a solid understanding of how Elfsight works, from creating your first widget, exploring templates, customizing designs, connecting integrations, and embedding everything directly into your website without needing complicated coding skills. Elfsight is an excellent no-code widget platform for people who want to enhance their website quickly and professionally without hiring developers. If you're planning to improve your website engagement, boost trust with visitors, or automate customer interactions, then Elfsight is definitely a platform worth trying. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.